want to show you how to make a template for the screen like this. So this top piece is cardstock and the bottom one is sticker paper. This stays on there, and then the cardstock can be switched in and out. I plan to do an ice cream themed one as well. It doesn't fall off, it just stays there. These were the original stickers that came with the toy. I took the screen off and put it on cardstock so that it would lay flat, and then you're going to take a picture. Okay, when you're taking your picture, I recommend turning on the flash and using the grid lines to make sure you're taking the picture straight up and down and it's not angled or anything like that. From here, you can edit your photo so that there's a high contrast between the background and the image, so that when you go into Design Space, it's easier to cut out the background. So I'm just going to play around with the settings until it looks like there's a big contrast. And I'm going to crop it as close as possible. And when you go into crop and you see that your image isn't straight, you can always rotate it on your phone like this. And you can also change the perspective. Okay. And upload the image that you took. Now you're going to remove the background. It's too much. And now you're going to upload your image onto your canvas. And you're going to measure your sticker and input those measurements here. So mine measures 4 1/4 inch wide. Now you're going to splice your image using a similar shape. And I'm going to use a rectangle with rounded edges. Here it is.
Mama?
And I'm going to send it to the back so I can see. And then just line it up with your image. Next, I'm going to duplicate that one. And I'm going to change the color so you can see it better. Now you're going to line your second shape to cut out this piece right here. Okay, now you're going to delete your image because you don't need it anymore. And then you're going to select both of these shapes and splice them. Or slice. Oops. And here is the slice result. You can delete these other ones. From here you can design it however you want. Just make sure you have it set to print and cut. Set it to print and cut. And you can select your base color here. Let's do pink. And now you can add any images or text that you want. Let's do a heart. Star. And when you designed it the way that you want, just go to make it and you're done.